there's a triangle sign there telling you give way. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, give way means give way. So you give way to traffic, whoever coming from your right or the left or whichever ahead, you know what I mean? Now, this junction, even though it says give way, I personally think this should be a stop junction. The reason why, because you can turn left at that give way there, or you can follow the road ahead as well. Okay. Now the problem is, if you turning left, it's fine because you give way to cars coming from ahead, which you can see is open view. But if you are following the road ahead, any car coming from the left where the car is turning, you cannot see it because of the wall and the bushes over there. Can you see that big wall? So if you're going ahead, follow the road ahead, what we do, we treat that as a stop. So you need to stop yourself over there, lean your body towards the steering, quick glance on your left, make sure nobody's coming, and then you would go. Now, we have been told by our examiners very clearly, I had a conversation last week as well, that if any learner who do not stop and look on the left, it will be marked as a serious fault. Even though it's a giveaway, a lot of people argue that, oh, it's a giveaway, it shouldn't be like that. But the problem is, how would you feel if you're sitting here and I'm driving a car and I try to go very fast without stopping and there was a car coming? They're gonna hit this person first and the examiner will be sitting here, you know what I mean? So remember, this junction I think it's Oak Grove over there, so we treat this as a stop. So if you're going for the road ahead, it's better to stop, look ahead and look your left, and then if it's safe, then we're gonna go. So you're doing this first time, it's okay, I will talk you through. Okay, cancel your signal for me. So the next junction, we are following the road ahead, so you're gonna follow the edge of the side white line there. It starts slowing down, and that's a giveaway line there. You can't see on your left, can you?
No.
So it's better to stop at the giveaway there, a bit more further, completely stop. Anyone coming? No. But that's an open view, so he's quite far away. So go now for me. There you go. We're not gonna make him slow down. Make sense?
Yes.
So it's better to stop.